Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present this brilliant example of the Toyota Yaris. This particular model is the fully automatic Icon. The vehicle's in excellent condition, finished in grey metallic. You can see there. You've also got 15-inch spoked alloy wheels, again in excellent condition. Toyota, and indeed the Yaris, are known for their brilliant reliability. You've also got the hybrid engine, which is absolutely superb. Toyota being one of the market leaders when it comes to hybrid technology. This means that this vehicle achieves over 80 miles to the gallon. So you've got electric mode, EV mode and eco mode, meaning that part of the time the battery is driving the vehicle. As well as all this, full Toyota history. It's been very well maintained. You've also got advanced safety features such as collision warning, collision mitigation and lane departure warning. Take a look inside the vehicle, which again is in excellent condition. We can see there. You've got leather trim steering wheel. Here you'll find your controls for cruise control and speed limiter, as well as audio controls. You've got reverse camera, thanks to this colour touchscreen. You've also got DAB digital radio, as well as Bluetooth, and you can also stream music from your mobile device. Underneath that, dual climate control. Underneath that, USB charging point. As mentioned, fully automatic vehicle, very smooth gearbox. And in the rear of the vehicle, 3 seats, again, excellent condition. Good leg room for passengers. So there you have it, this pristine Toyota Yaris Icon. It's got full service history, great features, excellent condition and the latest hybrid technology. And as always, before leaving, the vehicle will come with a service and MOT for its new owner.